Good morning, my unfinished fam. A new day and a new struggle. I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning. It's currently 8:06. I'm just getting started on Fulbright packing stuff. I sat down to eat breakfast, and the Subway that I ate yesterday took away 30 minutes of my life this morning. So I didn't eat because my stomach hurts, and I cleaned the dishes and tried to tidy up the kitchen a little bit because it's been looking a little crazy. But I looked online to see when the next flight for Delta is at my closest airport. So they have a flight leaving at 10, so I know that there should be some attendance there right now since it's 8. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to, I don't know if I want to put more stuff in it, but I'll zip this bag up, put it in the car, drive to the airport, and ask questions. I'll take my flight itinerary with me as well in my grant document so I can explain to them my situation and see if when I fly with them, if everything will be fine. But again, my biggest worry is that they say, yeah, sure, fly with us however you want. And I get to my next flight, which is a different ticket. So I have to grab my bags and recheck my bags at the new flight. And they say, nah, playa, we don't play that. So I'm like, anyways, I'm going to go now and see if I can figure this out. So I'm outside of the airport. I had went in to ask about the baggage, and they said it doesn't matter about the size, just about the weight. So I'm good. So for this bag, I don't mind paying that $100 fee for the overweight. So I'll pack it up to 70 pounds, and then that'll make it 130 for this bag. I'm cool with that. And so for my other bag, I'm gonna try to make it so that it's only 50 pounds so that I only have to pay 40. So total it'll be 170, which is not bad. And then they reimburse me up to a certain amount for my baggage after I finish my grant. So 170 going there. I have to double check, but I think I get 2 free bags with the other airline I'm flying from the US to the Philippines. I'm pretty sure that's what it said, but I might have to pay extra for the overweight. I think that I will have to do. So that's good news. Next, I am heading back home to finish packing this bag and to pack my other bag. So I am making really good time. But I did add a couple other things on my to-do list. I need to see if I can go to urgent care and get the tests done for the medical form for the original visa. Because I'm going to still try to pursue that if I can, because I don't want to be without my passport for an extended amount of time while in country. All right, headed back home to finish packing, and then I'll move from there. Those stuffs kill me every time. All right, so I'm gonna finish packing this bag. I'm gonna pack it. Okay, so look, this is what I wanna do. I really wanna try to get just 2 50-pound bags so I don't have to pay $100 for the overweight fee. And so if I do this bag 50 pounds and another bag 50 pounds, that'll put me at $70 because it's like $30 for the first bag, $40 for the second bag. I'm fine with that. And another issue is that the airline that I'm flying with from the US to the Philippines for that second flight, I don't know if they're gonna, like, how much they're gonna charge me. I can't talk to them because they're only in that area where my layover is. So it's like, and I checked online and like the number was a little bit outrageous. Like for an overweight bag it was $175. And that just seemed kind of like over the top. So I don't want to run into that issue. So I'm going to try to get this bag down to 50 pounds, do another bag that's 50 pounds, and then possibly do a carry-on. I think that might work if I could put like my heavier clothing items in my carry-on, like my jeans, some shoes, stuff like that in my carry-on. I think that I can get this down to this big bag at 50 pounds and then my medium-sized bag at 50 pounds. I think that I'll just have to reevaluate some of the stuff that's in my bags and take out what's absolutely not necessary. So I'm gonna give that a try and see how that goes. I also need to do my hair today for sure. I'm supposed to be going skating tonight with some friends at the local skating rink because it's adult night. They have like 3 adult nights, but Thursday is like not as packed as Sundays because I'm good at skating, but I don't do all the tricks that they be doing. I can go fast, but I can't go fast backwards. I can't do that. I can't do the dancing on the skates. I can't do all of that. So Thursdays are the day for me. So I definitely want to go today before I leave because I don't know, you know, if they have a skating rink there that I could skate at that has like the same vibes. So I'm gonna finish getting packed as quickly as possible, go take a shower, wash my hair, and start on my hair. So let's get this going. I was able to get all of my toiletries and a few other things in this bag. So I'm about to weigh it and I'm hoping it is right at 50 pounds. It feels like it might be at 48. Let's find out. Ah! I was right. See that? It's right around 48. So I've made a decision. This bag is 55 pounds. The medium bag that I just packed is just under 50 pounds. And then this small bag right here, I didn't weigh it, but it has a lot of stuff in it. So what I've decided to do is I am first going to try and remove some of the items that I'm bringing with me in hopes that I can get it down to 2 bags that are 50 pounds. Doubt it. Doubt it. my hair is done. I did it yesterday. After I finished my hair, I had went skating with my friends for the evening, which is what you just saw. And now it is Friday, May 27th. I leave tomorrow morning. I have quite a few things left to do. I had another meeting with the other Fulbright scholars and the contact that we have in the Philippines. So there are a few things I need to get done. There's more paperwork that I need to print. I got my COVID results back from CVS from Wednesday. I got it back on Thursday night. They were negative, but they said Jones. And so I went today to get another PCR test at Walgreens because one of the other scholars had said it was fine to get it from Walgreens. It is the RT-PCR. But I guess I had filled out the work as Chelsea Jones instead of Chelsea Mitchell. So I might not be able to use that. So now I'm going to CVS again today in about 15 to 20 minutes so that I can get another test done that says Mitchell. I'm hoping that I get it back in time before my flight. So since I'll be flying to the West Coast, I should have a few more hours. So I had got it, the last one done on Wednesday at 4 o'clock and got the results by Thursday at 10:41 p.m. And so if it does the same amount of time, I should have it back before my flight from the US to the Philippines. So that's what I'll be doing. And I'm also doing small tasks like letting all of my banks know that I'll be out of the country, letting my phone provider know that I need to hold on to my phone number, but I'll be postponing or delaying service while I'm gone. So those are just some things that I need to be doing, and then tidying up the house before I go. So let's see if I can get it all done.